Cytokines. Cytokines are small, secreted proteins, generally 5 to 20 kDa, that act as chemical messengers of the immune system. They are produced by immune cells, T cells, B cells, macrophages, dendritic cells, NK cells, as well as non-immune cells, fibroblasts, endothelial cells. Cytokines bind to specific receptors on target cells and regulate immune responses, cell proliferation, differentiation, inflammation, and tissue repair. They work in autocrine, paracrine, or endocrine manners. Structure of cytokines. Size: small proteins, 70 to 200 amino acids, 5 to 25 kDa. Structure: mostly alpha helical proteins, some are glycosylated. Receptors: bind to high-affinity receptors on cell surfaces, often heterodimeric or heterotrimeric complexes. Conservation: no single structural motif, but many share similar folds. Short half-life, ensures localized action. Properties of cytokines. Low molecular weight proteins, unlike antibodies which are large. Produced transiently in response to stimuli, not stored. High potency, very small amounts can trigger strong effects. Pleiotropy, one cytokine can act on multiple cell types with different effects. Example: IL-4, activates B cells and also regulates Th2 differentiation. Redundancy, different cytokines can mediate similar functions. Example: IL-2, IL-7, IL-15, all support T cell proliferation. Synergy, two cytokines may act together for stronger effect. Example: IL-12 plus IL-18 strong IFN gamma production. Antagonism, one cytokine can block another's action. Example: IFN gamma inhibits IL-4 mediated B cell activation. Short-lived action to prevent overreaction and tissue damage. Functions of cytokines. Immune cell communication, coordinate innate and adaptive immunity. Cell proliferation and differentiation, guide immune cell maturation, example IL-7 for lymphocytes. Inflammation regulation. Pro-inflammatory cytokines, IL-1, IL-6, TNF-alpha. Anti-inflammatory cytokines, IL-10, TGF-beta. Antiviral defense, interferons, IFN-alpha, IFN-beta, induce antiviral states in cells. Hematopoiesis, colony-stimulating factors, GM-CSF, GCSF, MCSF. Chemotaxis, some cytokines, chemokines, recruit immune cells. Fever induction, IL-1, TNF-alpha, IL-6 acts on hypothalamus. T-cell polarization. IL-12, Th1 response. IL-4, Th2 response. IL-6 plus TGF-beta, Th17 response. Classification of cytokines. Cytokines are classified by their function or structural family. 1. Interleukins, ILS. Produced by leukocytes, regulate interactions between immune cells. Examples: IL-2, T cell growth factor. IL-4, B cell activation, Th2 differentiation. IL-17, inflammation, autoimmune diseases. 2. Interferons, IFNs. Antiviral cytokines. Types. Type I, IFN alpha, IFN beta antiviral defense. Type 2, IFN gamma activates macrophages, Th1 responses. Type 3, IFN lambda mucosal immunity. 3. Tumor necrosis factors, TNFs. Inflammatory cytokines with cytotoxic potential. Examples: TNF-alpha, inflammation, fever, apoptosis. TNF-beta, lymphotics and cytotoxic for tumor cells. 4-colony stimulating factors, CSFs. Stimulate production of blood cells in bone marrow. Examples: GCSF, neutrophil production. MCSF, monocyte/macrophage development. GMCSF, granulocyte and macrophage growth. 5 Chemokines, a cytokine subset. Induce chemotaxis of immune cells. Examples: CXCL8, IL-8 attracts neutrophils. CCL2, MCP1 recruit monocytes. 6 Transforming growth factors, TGFs. Immunoregulatory cytokines. Example: TGF-beta, anti-inflammatory, promotes trait differentiation, tissue repair. Examples of cytokines with roles: IL-1, fever, inflammation. IL-2, T-cell proliferation, basis of immunotherapy. IL-6, acute phase response, B-cell differentiation. IL-10, suppresses inflammation. IFN-gamma, activates macrophages, enhances antigen presentation. TNF-alpha, pro-inflammatory, septic shock mediator. GCSF, stimulates neutrophil production, clinical use in chemotherapy patients. Importance of cytokines: host defense, fight infections, bacterial, viral, parasitic. Immune system coordination, connect innate and adaptive immunity. Inflammatory response, initiate and resolve inflammation. Tissue repair, regulate wound healing, angiogenesis, fibrosis. Pathogenesis of diseases: autoimmunity, RA, MS, IBD rightward arrow due to cytokine imbalance. Sepsis, excess TNF-alpha, IL-1 rightward arrow cytokine storm. Cancer, some cytokines promote tumor progression. Therapeutic use: recombinant cytokines, example IFN-alpha for hepatitis, IL-2 for renal cancer. Cytokine inhibitors, anti-TNF therapy for rheumatoid arthritis. Hematopoietic growth factors, GCSF for neutropenia. In summary, cytokines are small, powerful signaling proteins that regulate immunity, inflammation, hematopoiesis, and tissue repair. They can be pro-inflammatory, anti-inflammatory, antiviral, or growth-stimulating. Their balance is crucial. Too little may cause immune deficiency, too much may lead to autoimmunity or cytokine storm. Thanks for watching.